Hello students! Here we are in Montreal, Quebec, Canada at a dog park where Bella is running around with all of her friends, and your job is to see if you can figure out which dogs at this park are vegan and which ones aren't. And the truth is, you won't be able to tell the difference at all because they all look the same. They are all running and having a great time frolicking in the snow, and it's a bit stormy out and my hand holding the camera has no glove on it, so I won't be able to film that much, but enjoy our little time here, especially if you are somewhere in the part of the world where you don't have snow right now or you've never seen snow. This is your chance to see what it looks like here. Hold it.
Could it go? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Okay,
Sorry, I didn't shut that.
Ben?
For those of you who are new here, this is Bella Vegan Dog. She's been vegan since August 2017. And the reason that she is vegan, the reason that we feed her only vegan foods, is because we didn't want to kill any other animals for her. Once we became vegan ourselves, somebody pointed out that we weren't truly vegan if we were paying for the murder of other animals and brought those dead bodies into our house. So we thought about it for a while, did some research, and realized that there are vegan dogs all around the world. And so we might as well try it and see how it works out. Oh, look at this cutie.
Animals exist in their own right. They have a right to control their own lives and bodies. They have intrinsic value and are not ours to exploit or kill. Using animals for food, clothing, research, etc. violates their basic rights and is therefore morally unacceptable. Be kind, be vegan. Forcing animals to endure mutilation, separation from family, isolation, immobility, disease, and acute and chronic pain are all reprehensible and unethical. Moreover, these atrocities are completely unnecessary and a blatant violation of their most fundamental rights. Be kind, be vegan. Vegans strive to eliminate support for and consumption of anything that requires animals to be abused, exploited, or killed. Meat, milk, eggs, leather, wool, down, fur, etc. are all derived by violating animals' rights and they're therefore not vegan. Be kind, be vegan. Thank you for listening to this melody. Now you know you can be vegan, you'll feel great, you will see. Thank you for listening to this song. If you liked it, click the like button and sing along.
When someone first introduced the idea of giving our dog vegan food, I was skeptical, just like I'm sure many of you are. I looked at her teeth, the size of her mouth, and thought, well, she looks like a wolf, and so how can it possibly be that we can give dogs vegan food? I mean, will they survive? Will they be okay? But then I thought about it and I did some research and I realized that it's entirely possible. And I also thought, would I be able to kill another dog to feed my dog Bella here? I don't know that I could kill a dog. I don't know that I could kill a pig, a chicken, or any animal to feed her. It just doesn't seem right. I mean, she is part of our family, but in the same way that this little white dog could have been part of my family if I'd adopted her, or a chicken, or a cow, or a pig, or any other animal. Just because somebody lives with us doesn't necessarily mean that their life is worth more than anyone else's life.
Vegan dogs are healthy, vegan dogs are happy, vegan dogs can thrive. Vegan dogs are healthy, vegan dogs are happy, so why pay for murder? Keep all the animals alive.
So what do you think? Have you been able to tell which dogs are vegan and which dogs aren't? Can you tell? Hi, Bella. Every once in a while, like every dog, Bella ventures away from the pack and sniffs around. She's smelling for any rabbits that might have been there, or any squirrels, other dogs. We'll leave their pee and their poo samples around for her to sniff. I know that many of you find it ridiculous when we talk about having a vegan world, but all it means is simply doing our best not to hurt any of these innocent animals. And not just dogs and cats. Chickens, cows, pigs, turkeys, hi Sweetie, lambs, all these animals deserve love. We shouldn't be putting them on our plates, in our stomachs, or doing experiments on them. And since the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has clearly stated that anybody can be vegan at any stage of development, that's even all the more reason why we should strive for a vegan world. And it's definitely possible. There are so many alternatives now. And it starts with you, with the choices that you make every day. What are you putting in your shopping cart? And are you opening up your heart to truly do your best? Only you can answer that.
A vegan world, a vegan world, a vegan world is coming soon. A peaceful world, a peaceful world, a peaceful world is coming soon. A vegan world, a vegan world, a vegan world is coming soon. A peaceful world, a peaceful world, a peaceful world is coming soon. A vegan world, a vegan world, a vegan world is coming soon.
Sorry about that.
It's okay.
Take mine.
Oh boy.
Someone stole my glove right out of my pocket.
I have a treat, maybe. You want a cookie?
You want a cookie? You want a cookie?
Here. Oh no.
Yeah, he knows that. Let him
I never expected that. He would just go right for it.
sneaky. Come here. Thunder, Bishi?
Like it's because.
You want a treat?
You want a cookie?
You want a treat? Thunder.
Bella, your friend stole my glove.
No.
Thunder, come here.
I'll remember this day. I'll remember this moment. Today's the first day of the rest of my vegan life. I'll remember this feeling. I'll remember this love. Today's the first day of the rest of my vegan life. From this day forward, I will always be proud to be vegan, and I will declare it out loud. I'm here to save you. I'm here to save you, little lambs, chickens, turkeys, fish, pigs, and cows too. I'm here because that vegan teacher helped me to see beyond myself, deep into the eyes and heart of someone else.
Thank you for being here, everyone. If you find value in this channel, please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell. You can also support me on Patreon. I'll see you all in the next video.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher